Hey, welcome back to Creations by Kim. I've got some dirt on there. I have been saving some runoff from other paintings and everything, and thought I would just try something different and everything. So we're gonna just dump. I've got 4 different catches. Some have just a little bit in it, some have a lot more. So I'm hoping I've got enough to cover the canvas and everything, and then I'm just gonna throw some white on it. And I know this one is apple barrel white and everything, and these are just a mix of different colors. And I may put links, if I can, back to the original videos of what was in those, and that way maybe you can get an idea of what they were. But it's pretty much, you're not going to be able to duplicate the color mixes probably. So anyway, we're just going to give it a go and see how it turns out. And some of these have like seriously stuck to the, I kind of covered it with press and seal and then slid another cup underneath it. And you can kind of maybe make out what I did there if you want to try to save your paints. I have no idea. None of these have been sitting for a little while, and I need to get them used. And I was thinking I would have something else going, so that hasn't happened. And that one's got a lot. These are my littles. Okay. I'm just going to pour it on here. Dump it out there. A little bit of lighter color in there. Thought I'd maybe try to get it out. It didn't really come out very well. And let's see. That has dried, so that one's trash. That one is an interesting mix. Kind of interesting muddy swirl, but that's pulled out. One is, oh, this one's kind of sticking. Oh, and it looks like my cup popped in there somehow. Again, interesting. Let's see. kind of like a muddy mix there. Not sure I really care for that. Oop, and that was a glob. You know, I may not need any white paint on the edges. Oh, that's got some color in it. Looks like there's a big mix of green right on the bottom. So, okay. See what this is. See if they can bring any more character to this, although that looks like it's just going to be like more of this muddy purple. I think we have enough of that. Oh, I got that all over me. Let's see. Alright, it's definitely tilting and spreading. And that blue ain't going to move very far, is it? There's a thing that they use it to blow the paint and kind of blur the edges a little bit, and I have never tried that. Some people use different mechanical devices to blow it, air compressors, hair dryers, different things. I'm not that brave because I am in a house that has I don't think my husband would appreciate if I painted the walls and ceiling and mini blinds and new carpet and all that stuff. So we're going to just kind of try this on the edges, some of the edges, and see if we can figure out how to kind of add some character. smudged the paint right off of it earlier. So, all right, well, we're going to stop there, I think. And go from there. All right. Call that a wrap. That's not too bad for some leftover paint. Extra random picture. All right. And no interruptions. I actually still have battery life, and I have memory card still. Some space on my memory card. So I would say this has been a successful video compared to the last one. So anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for joining me on Creations by Kim, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.